Transmission of the nerve impulse. The transmission of a nerve impulse along a neuron from one end to the other occurs as a result of electrical changes across the membrane of the neuron. And this transport is achieved by sodium pump using energy through ATP. Now, the neurons are said to be in resting state when they are not conducting any impulse. So when neurons are not conducting any impulse, they are in resting condition, they are in resting state, and that state of the nerve cell is called as polarized state. Now look at this diagram. Part A of the diagram represents the resting state of the nerve cell, that is the nerve fiber. During the resting region or during the resting state, the outer side of the nerve fiber, that is the axon, carries positive charge and inner side negative charge. This polarization, that is the presence of this positive charge on the outer side of the axon membrane, is due to the presence of sodium ions. Now on getting stimulus, when a part of the nerve fiber receives stimulus, any type of stimulus, either that is mechanical, electrical or chemical, the part which receives the stimulus, that part of the nerve fiber become excited. As it become excited, it also become permeable to the positive charge. So due to permeable nature, the positive charge from outer side of the axon start moving towards the inner side. As positive charge moves towards the inner side, negative will move out. So this excited region or this excited state of the nerve fiber is called as a depolarized state or depolarization. Now this depolarized state or region becomes stimulus to the next neighboring area or next neighboring membrane. And that as it becomes stimulus for the next region, so that part also become permeable, and due to permeable nature, again from the next part, positive charge will move inside and negative will move out. So in the meantime, when the next region comes to the depolarized state, the previous one comes to the resting state again. And as it recovers its resting state, that is called as recovery region or repolarized state or repolarization. So in this way, the impulse carried by the neuron moves from one part of the nerve fiber to the next part. So the conduction of nerve impulse is a wave of depolarization followed by repolarization. So after that, few lines from your book. Do not compare conduction of nerve impulse in a nerve fiber with the flow of electricity, because in electricity, the electrons actually do move along the wires. There is actual movement of electrons along the wire, whereas neither any substance nor any electrons or ions move along the nerve fiber. This is the main difference between electricity and the impulse. Another thing, the speed of electricity and speed of nerve impulse. The speed of electricity through a wire is 150,000 km per second. Whereas nerve impulse, it travels with a maximum speed of about 100 meters per second only. Next, we are going to start with synapse.